What are you doing?
Playing with my train. Oh, I told you I'm playing.
Did you just get that train?
Yeah.
Oh, did somebody give you those trains?
Dad, Nonnie gave the train to me.
Nonnie gave those to you? Oh, that's so nice.
For your birthday?
We shouldn't tell her thank you when we fly over to her.
Yeah, we should thank her when we fly to see her.
The drone flying on the airplane, it's going to pick up this. It came to pick up it.
Oh, and now it's going to go through the
Tunnel.
Yay! And Brother's watching you play with your trains. Oh, but he's tired and hungry. Are you tired, Milo?
I told Daddy he was hungry.
You're hungry, Milo. Are you? You're watching Brother. Okay, okay.
You can eat. Okay. Okay. Okay.